Hello guys, good evening. Are you here? Hello. Guys, are you able to hear me properly? My voice is loud and clear? Let me confirm in the chat box. Hey, quick guys, be response here. You two participant. I want response from you as well. Very good evening and warm welcome. Guys, you surprised by seeing my screen as today we have test? Or else you are ready? So dear participant, let me check. Your voice was audible. Great. Ready, sir. Wonderful. Guys, are you ready? A bit surprised. Okay. Good. Okay, so today we are going to have a test. The test will start at 7:15 and the test will open for 30 minutes. And at sharp 7:45, it will stop accepting response. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are going to mark that test in between 30 minutes. The total question for the test is 20 and the marks 40 marks. Okay, clear? If it's clear, let me know. We are surprised, sir, because if told on Friday, would prepared all. Hey, I already informed that you will have a surprise test. So I don't want reason now, okay? Yes, guys. Yes, good question. How will be a test going to taken? Great. So test will be via Google Form. I will share the link in the Zoom and YouTube as well. Sharp at 7:15. Okay. You have to start with the test. And no need to copy. Okay. You are going to live with yourself. Not required to do a Google and anything. Okay. So B, there is one question. Whatever MCQ or fill in the blanks or only coding, sir. It will be MCQ test, Akshit. Suyesh, I hope you are able to see my screen and clearly on my screen, you are able to see mobile app development with Flutter and Android. It's still you are asking me it's digital marketing course, then how should I relate this? Sir, passing marks. So there is no any such kind of things. But those who are going to be a topper, be like 5 toppers, will get the surprise gift from the ExcelR team. Okay. Yesterday, I'm learning digital marketing lecture. Okay, so it's up to you. You want to become a digital marketer or you want to become an app developer. Okay. So you can attend anyone. Sir, today is only test. There is no lecture today. Guys, lecture will be there. Exam will be a MCQ only. Chalo, more question. I want question. Chalo. We have 3 more minutes. So guys, I would like to explain once again. Today we have a first assessment test of mobile app development with Flutter for Android and iOS. The description of test is that total question is 20 and total marks 40. So for each question, you will get a 2 mark. For each correct question, you will get a 2 marks, or else if you're going to do a wrong, then definitely you will get a big 0. And the time for test is 30 minutes. Test start time is 7:15, sharp at 7:45. If at 7:46, if you are going to try that to submit that form, you are not going to accept the response. So I'm explaining once again. Please try to submit your test by 7:41. After test, which lecture we learn? Definitely. So yes, if I'm in the mobile app development, definitely you are going to learn a mobile app development lecture. Na? Hey, YouTube participants, very good evening and warm welcome again. Guys, after test, we'll have a session as well. At 7:50, again, we'll start with the session. Okay. Suyash, I think you're totally confused. Drop an email to edl@excelr.com. Team will definitely explain you what is the scenario. I'm sharing that email ID with you. Okay, guys, so it's time to start with the test. Just one moment. Let me share you the test link with you. So it's 7:15 and I shared the test link in the Zoom and YouTube as well. So please go ahead and finish your test. I'm there sharp at 7:45. The link will close. Okay. Hey, few participant asking me, I didn't got guest test link. Where is the link? Oh, I think I joined the late. That's why I'm not able to share the links. So sorry, I'm sharing it again. Okay. Yes, shared. Wow, you're saying okay. Thanks. I appreciate your answer. Guys, last 10 minutes. Please make it fast and try to submit before 7:45 only. Sharp at 7:45, I will stop accepting response. Okay. So guys, last 5 minutes to submit the test, and whatever the result is there, whoever the five toppers, I will show their names in the last 5 minutes of the session. 7:45 sharp, I will close the link and we'll start with the session. Okay. Rishi, what attendance you want? Which attendance? Today's your first day, Rishi. I hope, Rishi, you know that every day if we used to share the link at
Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, okay, guys, let's start. So what happened here is I wanted to show you something here, guys. Give me a minute. So, so what are we going to do today is we'll do one more very nice widget. Okay, what is the widget is? There is something called bottom navigation drawer. So we'll do it. Okay, I want you guys to do okay other stuff, but here I want to take bottom navigation drawer. What is this bottom navigation drawer? So at the bottom, I want to have something to navigate between the screens. So yesterday we have seen, I mean, yesterday we have seen something about navigation. How do we navigate using the dynamic routing, static routing? So we'll continue with the same thing. We're going to start with the bottom navigation and I'll see how do we navigate, okay, to different screens. So for this example, what is that I'll do is, give me a minute, guys, give me a minute. Okay, let me open a new project. Give me, okay, I open the previous project. You guys can practice this one. This one, you guys will like this one. So let me share my screen, guys. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. So, so what I'll do is I'll share my screen here. Where is share screen option? Yeah, it's here. So let it load. Okay, I'm just loading the project. Let it load. I think it is getting updated, guys. So basically, what is bottom navigation door? Let me show you till that time it gets loads. Let me come to Google. Okay, let me show you. Okay, Flutter bottom navigation. Okay, this is what is the bottom navigation drawer. Okay, we have the home page, we have other pages thing. So this is how we have a bottom navigation drawer through which we can navigate. So what is that I'll do is let me come with here. Okay, no guys, I know not this is not the project. I'll open the recent projects, guys. Give me 1 second. I have built this project. Okay, otherwise I'll open old project only recent projects. Okay, okay, I'll open your project only, guys. SDP2, this window. Okay, so what I'll do is let me go and create a screen here. Let me go and create a screen here. So I'm going to do the same way what we have done before. Here I'm going to take a dot file, and here I'll say something called landing page, landing screen. Okay, after this landing screen, I'll copy this one, login screen. I'll copy this one. Okay, now here I'll create a class. What is that? I'll say landing screen. Landing screen extends from the stateful widget. Stateful widget. And here, this stateful widget, I'm going to take this. I'll keep my mouse this thing, and here I'll put this method here. So I'll come here below this. I'm going to create a class now. Guys, give me 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay, let me create a class now. Okay, I'll say landing screen state. Okay, it takes this thing, but you have to give a good name, guys. Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me, sir? Landing screen state, which extends state class. Okay, state class. Now in the state class, I'm going to give my landing screen here, and here I am going to implement the method here. What is the method here? Implement the method. Okay, what is the method? Okay, let it be like this. So myself, you guys can hear me, right? Can you drop me a message? You guys can hear me? Guys, can you hear me? Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yes, yes. Okay, guys, thank you. Let me minimize this. Let me share my screen. I got disconnected, guys. I don't know how it got disconnected. Okay. Yeah, sir. Okay, you guys have to manage for only for today. Okay. So what is that I'll do is I'll create a landing page here. Object of the landing page state. I'm going to return this here. And here, guys, what is that I'll do is here I'm going to return scaffold. Okay, and in this scaffold, we guys have already done that. We have something called app bar. You want to take app bar? I'll take app bar. App bar And here, what is the app bar? I will take title, and here I'll take text. Okay, and here I'll say, what is that I want to say? I want to say this is a landing page. Okay, I'll keep the body. I'll show the body later. Okay, I need to take the body here. So body. Okay, in this body, what is that I'll do is I'm going to take something. Okay, a bit later point of time. So what is that I'll do is in this body, I have something here. Give me a second, guys. So here in the body, I have something called bottom navigation. Bottom. Okay, I'll take the body as, I'll take this as material. Just for now, I'll take material just to keep it proper. And what is the other property for this body is, okay, I'll say bottom navigation bar. So this bottom navigation bar comes from bottom navigation. Excuse me. Now from this class, what is that I'll do is this bottom navigation bar takes multiple things here. I can give him something called, okay, bottom navigation. Okay, why is it not taking? We take something called items. Okay, what are the different items I can give it? So basically, what is that I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to take three things: home, something here, XYZ search, okay, something here. With this, I want to take the items, names, and this. So what is that I'm trying to do is I'm creating this one by one. So here I'm creating an item here. How do I create an item here? I'm going to use something called bottom navigation item here. So I'll use something called bottom navigation item. And in this item, I need to set an icon. So what is the icon? I can set all the details here one by one. I'll just put a comma here so that I can use it later point of time. I'll come here and I'll hit enter here, guys. Enter. Okay. Okay. Now here, what is that I'll do is, I'll take the icons, guys. So how do I take the icons? I'll take it from icons class. So here I'll take icon. I'll say icons dot. You can take any icons, guys. Anything you guys can take it here. So I'll take what is that? I'll take something called home. Why is it not coming? Guys, my system is slow here. So I'll take home here. So it give me the home icon. So that is one icon. Next property, what I can set it here is I can set a title here. So I can set okay, here we call that title as a label here. Label. Guys, give me 1 second. No, it has to come inside this. Okay, I have to be careful here. This is the properties of this here. I'll say label here, and label I'll say again label I'll say home. This is the home label what I want to set here. Okay. Now after this, what else I can set, guys? I think only two properties I can set it here. Next thing, what is that I'll do is I'll copy paste this here. Copy paste this here. Control C, Control V, Control V. Now here I'm going to change this one. I'll change it to home to something, guys. Something I don't know what is this. Search. Search is there, is good. And here I'll put it search, SEARCH, search. Okay, fine. This is fine. Now I'll come here, and here also I will say, okay, I'll say, what is that? I'll say search, search or anything, guys. I don't know what is that. I need to show here. Control space. I'll say search. Yeah, what else I should say? I'll say anything. I'll take alarm. And here I'll say, instead of home, I'll say alarm. Alarm. So what did I go do, guys? I have created this thing, and I have created here. So you want to create a just in material. What is that? Just for now, just for this, just for the sake this, I'll say child. I'll say center, and here I just wanted to say something here. Center may I'll just put a text. Okay, and here I will say hi, hello, hello guys. Okay, so now I have to take this with a child here also. Okay, I'll take a child here. Okay, and here I'll take a text here. That's it, guys. So this is the screen what I have developed. So you guys want to add up? Okay, let me come to my main.file, and I want, instead of home page, I'll make this as a landing page. Okay, landing screen. I'll make this as landing screen, and here I think whether my device is running. Okay, it's running here. So let me put this down. And how do I run this? It's running here. Let me run this, guys. So let us do one by one. So you guys can see here. Okay, what is that? Home, search, and alarm. But I want to modify this, guys. I want to make it more customized. Okay, I'm getting this thing. I want to make it more customized. For that reason, what is that I'll do is I can use something called, I want to give an icon size for everyone. So I'll come to my landing screen, and here I'll say icon size. Where is my icon size? I can give it here to everyone, right? Let me minimize this one. And right now I know don't need this one. Okay, here let me minimize this, guys. Here I'll come here, and here I'll define my icon size. Icon size. I'll give this as what should be the size? Some size, whatever size you guys want, you guys can give it here. I'll give this as 30. Okay, it's got, give me a second, got hanged. Okay, now I can give a color. I can give a background color for this. Color, I will say, what is the background color? I will say colors, color. How, no guys, how do I give the background color here? So background color, okay, I think, okay. How do I give a background color? Why is it not coming here? Colors dot, why is it not coming? Okay, color dot, okay, I'll say colors dot, I'll say amber accent. I'll take amber accent here. Now, next thing is, okay, when I select this, I want to increase the font size here. Oh shit. Okay, let it happen here. Let it work here. So what is that I'll do is, why is it not? Let me stop it here. Okay, let me reboot this, guys. I'll just put with this now. So let it open. So let it open. Let me minimize this one. So what is that I'll do is, I'll give a selected size. So whichever item is selected, I'll give a selected icon. Is it selected font size? No, not font size. I can give selected icon size. So I'll say no, I'll say selected font size. I'll make it 20. Okay, I'll make it almost 20 dp. Okay, so these are the changes what I have made. So I have given the icon size for each icon will be 30, the font size will be 20, and the background color will be amber accent. So what will happen is these changes will be implemented for all these items here. So let it run. I don't know why is it giving problems here. The system is becoming slow here. What the hell is going on? What is happening here? Okay, I have given the size has increased, the font size has increased, the background has been implemented. But what happens if I click here? Nothing is happening. I want something to happen. So what is that I'm going to do is I'm going to set something called listener. For that, we have one more property here in the items. It is not item here. Okay, one second, guys. Okay, here I'll come here. We have something called on tap. On tap, I'll take the index, whichever item has been clicked, I'll take the index of that. And what is that I'll do is I will set the index, guys, because what will happen is by default, this is what is going on, guys. Guys, what is happening? Okay. So basically, I think there is why is it getting managed? Okay. So what is that I'll do is I will call on tap method. What is the job of on tap method? On tap method, when I tap on that this thing or that this thing, it should go to the particular screen or it should go to that particular page. For that, what is that I'll do is I'll play with the index, guys. Okay. I'll play with abnormally it has been exited. I don't know what is going on. So I'll go and give an index here. How do I give an index here? Is I'll take one method called in this, I'll take something called index. I'll say okay, let it run in the background. So what is that I'll do is let me minimize this one. Okay, and let me minimize this one. On tap, what is that I'll do is I'll take the index. What is the index? I have three items. I have three items. So my index starts with 0, 1, 2. So what is that I'll do is I will take an index object here, guys. I'll set, okay, I'll set where my current index equal to 0. So what is 0? By default, the home page will be set here. So what is that I'll do is I will say whichever item you have clicked, I'll say my current index. Okay, my current index is equal to what is that I'll do is I'll set index here. So whichever index the user has clicked, that index will be my current index. Now what is that I'm trying to do is now I want to navigate to the different screens, right? So to navigate to different screens, what is that I'll do is I'll come here and I'll create an array here, guys. So I'll come here, I'll create an array here. I'll say where screens, which screens you want to go? Here I'll say equal to open the open the square list bracket, and here I will add lists here. So if I click, okay, the index of 0 will be for this array, will be for example my home screen. I'll say home, okay, home screen. Okay, next thing is, no, sorry, it's comma. Next item is, if I click on, for example, which is that I have search, right? If I click on search, I'll go to, for example, I'll go to list screen, list screen, okay, and undo, I'll say list screen, okay. And third thing is, if I click on the third index, I can have only three indexes, not more than three. And the third index, what is that I want to do is, I want to go to login screen. For example, I don't have any this thing. You can do it proper. Okay, login screen will take data, right? I'm not going to give it login screen. I want to show some other. Okay, what is that? Alert screen. I'll show alert screen. You can show login screen also, but you have to pass the data there. Alert screen. So what is that, guys? I did. I told the system. Okay, I'm creating three navigation places. Okay, the index of 0 will be home, index of 1 will be list screen, and index of 2 will be alert screen. So what is that I'll do is now instead of this material, I'll remove this material. I'll set the screens here. Screens. Okay, and here, what is that I'll do is, I'll call the screens based on the current index. What is my current index? What is my current index? Okay, so now what, no, sorry guys, it is comma. So now what will happen is, whichever I have clicked, okay, whichever I have clicked, okay, let it be, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So if I click on 0, my index will be 0, 0 will be sent to my current index. And what is the element? 0, home is that, home will be displayed. If I click on the second element, my index will be 1, 1 will be set to the current index, and the current index 1 will be set in the screen, and in the screen, what is 1? This screen will get displayed. This is how I start playing with this. Okay, let it run. Now let me, so by default, I see the home screen. Okay, why is it this coming? To do page is coming. Here, I'll remove this app bar, guys. I don't want this app bar. I don't want this app bar. I'll remove this app bar. Now, what will happen is, okay, okay, this problem will be solved. If you click on search, go to the sum screen. Why is it not going? If I click on this thing, it should go to the other screen, guys. Let me run this one. Why is it not working, guys? What is going on? What's wrong? Oh, guys, I made a mistake here. I have to change this state. I have to change the state. Based on the state only, it will work. See, this is a big mistake I have made. Set state. And in this state, I have to check the index. Now this is fine. See, home screen has been, okay, that has been removed. Okay, only one thing you have it now. Now, if you run this here, what will happen is, now you can switch between the this thing, states. Okay, I hope it might have loaded here. Now you click on search, you go to the list. Okay, instead of search, you can give list. I'll go to the alarm. Alarm means something, some screen, guys. Alarm screen. Okay. Here search. Instead of search, I'll say list. I'll say list here. Now if I run this here, now you guys can see here, this will go to the home page. Okay, this will go to the home page here. This will go to the list page. But why is this not getting selected? That is one more problem. So this is how you guys have to start playing with this. Okay, after the state here, state is getting changed, but why icons is not getting changed? Okay, why is this icon not changing, guys? What is happening to the icon? Why is it not changing? The reason is here I have to give him, okay, okay, what is my index? What is my current index? I have to set the index for this icons also. So what is that I'll do is, I have something called current index. I'll set what is my current index? I'll set my current index. Okay, now this will change. See, I'm doing one by one so that you guys can understand now what is happening, what is current index, what is this background size, icons, everything. Now I'm coming to the home page. Now if I click on this list, it will list me. This, see, it got selected. Now if I click on alarm, the alarm will get selected. The text has increased and you can come to the alarm page. If I click on home, it comes to the home page. Okay, and you want to remove the background color. I want to get the color from there only. So remove this color, and you now what will happen is, you get the color, the same color from the other place, from that screen. Okay, okay, no, not this, not this, not this, not this, not this. Background color for navigation. Okay, screens. Why is it coming? Background color for navigation is fine. Okay. I don't know. You guys want to check this out and fix this out, guys. Okay. It's coming, guys. I think my home page says, okay, self is okay. This page also says the same color. So what is that I'll do is, I'll come to home, and here I'll change the color. because it is not okay. I'll make it green. Now this will be fine. And also alert screen also I'm saying using the same color. So better I'll use this other color. I'll make it green accent. Now it's fine. Now it's fine, guys. Now it's fine. It's green color. Okay. If I click on this, it's white color. If I click on alert, it's a light green color. Okay. So what is that I'll do is I'll copy paste this. I want you guys to start working on this, guys. I will put it here. Okay. And here, Control V. And here I'll say save as day, day, day 10. I'll say save. And this is the file what I'm going to share with you guys. Okay. Regarding the test, you have to talk to Amar. I'm not the right person to talk about the test, guys. So this is how you do the changes. This is how you do the navigation. You click on list, the list screen will be displayed. You click on home, the home screen will be displayed. You click on alarm, alarm will be screen will be displayed. This will be highlighted. It will increase the test. These are the changes what you have to do it. Okay, guys, start working on this now. Guys, any questions, any doubts, you guys can ask me. Go ahead, guys. Start shooting the questions. Guys, start shooting the questions, guys. There is no difference. Okay, you can give that. Okay, that is a. Okay, you can give the complete package name. From the package, you're coming from Flutter or some Dart. So basically, this is what you're asking me, right? One second. Okay, this Flutter. Okay, and this material dot Dart. It is not from your package. It is from the system package. That is what you're taking it from the Flutter SDK, and you're taking this. Otherwise, you can take it if you have this thing. You can just say import, and you can give the name of the file like okay, data screen or alert screen. It will get imported in your this thing. Yeah, that's it. So can you send me notes again, please? Okay, can anyone send the notes to Kirtana, please? Array is only way to navigate through different buttons of the bottom navigator. No, I'm just using the array to give me that which okay, which tab has been clicked. Which tab has been clicked? How to okay, how can I maintain that? Okay, I'll just maintain it through an array. That's it, guys. Or otherwise, I have to use if loop and do it. All those things. Why do you want to do all those? This thing you can just make an array, and okay, in array it goes with index 0, 1, 2, right? It is going to help me with that. Otherwise, you have to write your own logic and do it. No, rhythm. Okay, share it with Kirtana. Kirtana was asking me. Share it with her. Or share it with everyone. Guys, any other questions? Right, let me know if you have any questions. Come on, start shooting the questions, guys. So when we see the animated or dynamic widgets? What do you mean by dynamic widgets, Ritan? Okay, animations, talk animation. Don't say dynamic widgets. There is a meaning. There is a big difference. Okay, animations. If you want, I can show you some animations. Animations are not important. You can do it by. Okay, there are some important topics which you have to cover. We'll try to cover that, guys. Like making a network call, getting the data from the server, or storing the data. Those kind of things are important. Okay, then how do we make an API file? All those kind of stuff is important. This animations, you guys can do it from anywhere. So I want some important topics to be covered. Okay, you guys don't have any questions, guys? Okay, if you don't have any questions, okay, we'll stop the session for now. Okay, and tomorrow we are going to see how do we make a network call, what is APIs, what is REST API, how do we make a network call, how do you show the data on the list. Okay, we use something called future builder list. All those things we'll see it, guys, tomorrow. Okay. Okay, yeah, Amar, you can take over, Amar.
Oh yeah, sure. Thank you, sir. Guys, if you have any query or question for me, let me know in the chat box. I will take it up. Oh, I already shared the attendance link. I hope all of you are marked that. If not, please mark your attendance and don't forget to share your feedback as well. Guys, any question? Attendance link. Okay, yeah, I will share again. 1 minute. Yeah, I share that. Okay. Who scored top in the test, sir? You please say. Guys, we will get the list on tomorrow session. Okay. Guys, I will show the top 5 performers on tomorrow session. Okay. नंदिनी दरवी सर डे 1 कब से स्टार्ट होने वाला है? टुडे इज डे 10. आई थिंक वी ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद डे 1. Guys, anything else in another query? Sir, please send the today's notes. You will get all the notes over the LMS. Sir, I didn't attend assessment yesterday due to fever. Hey, assessment is today only. We conducted that today. Guys, today's note will upload over the LMS. Okay, you can visit. चलो कोई और क्वेरी है क्या किसी की? बताओ मुझे चलो. Oh, great, 40 out of 40. Guys, I would like to appreciate all of you. Lots of students got good mark, okay? So appreciate it. So by seeing the result, I'm happy to say that you are understanding what things are going in the session, right? Am I right, guys? Good. Sir, I will get a certificate without assessment. No, it's not sure. For certificate, assessment is also important. Mitali, top 5 offers we show in tomorrow's session in first 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Kirti, and what about WhatsApp number? What about WhatsApp number which was taken? Hey, we just taken that for our documentation purpose. What is the problem? Akshit, sir, actually, I want to develop Messenger app using Flutter for further restaurant. Will it be okay? Yeah, it will be okay. If you are facing any difficulty, you can ask to the Ansari. No problem, Kirti. You're welcome. You do participant. What's your question? So somebody's asking me, sir, what is a navigator? You can ask that question to the Ansari. Actually, there are lots of projects. You can try to search on your own. Definitely, Ansari sir will help you on the same if you are facing any difficulty. Tejaswini is asking me, sir, you can you send yesterday's notes? Stage one, you are in the there in the yesterday session. Then how you not received the notes? Unable to submit the assignment due to technical problems, sir. What is the technical issue you are facing, Anusha? Okay, there is when you will upload the file over the LMS. So you have to visit now over the LMS. Internet fails, sir. Okay, dear participant, if you are going through the test, definitely you have to keep all these things ready. Okay, so if you are going to the examination hall for your offline exam, always you are be like, hey, I have to keep one extra pen. Okay, if that pen is not going to work, I have to use another one, right? Double pencil, two pens, two pencils, right? Same situations, yeah. If you're going to do an online assessment, be ready with extra system, na? Be ready with Wi-Fi. That's the simplest thing. You have to work on that, okay? Karunesh is asking, nothing is showing my assignment section because we didn't uploaded anything till now. Today's attendance is closed, okay? Is there any offline exam? No, guys. Anusha, what problem you are saying? Hey guys, one more thing. From today onwards, YouTube participant, hear me properly. YouTube participant, hear me properly. For you and for Zoom participant as well, I have one announcement. From tomorrow onwards, for mobile app development, we are not going for YouTube live. So you have to join the session via Zoom. Okay, my dear Zoom and YouTube participant, ask your friends from tomorrow onwards. All of you need to join via Zoom. I'm sharing the Zoom link in the Zoom app, in Zoom chat, as well as in the YouTube. This link will remain same for next remaining 5 days. So please, I'm requesting you that from tomorrow onwards, all of you have to join via Zoom. Okay, it's clear, guys. Let me confirm. Yes, sir. Good. Sir, today's note is actually yesterday content. Can you please let Ansari sir know that? We'll upload that over the LMS, guys. Okay. Sir, assignment link not working. Kindly open it. Hey, we close that. The assignment assessment time is 7:15 to 7:40 by. You have to submit between that only. Okay. Guys, tomorrow onwards, there will be a not a YouTube live for this program. You have to join via Zoom. I already shared the Zoom link in the YouTube as well as Zoom. So keep that link with you. If anybody of your friend is asking, share with them. Okay. Guys, any another question? We have 3 more minutes. Sharp at 9 o'clock. We'll wind up the session. Sir, open the assessment link. Hey, I'm saying that here again and again. The assessment was open between 7:15 to 7:45. How to open it again? The rule is rule for all, na yaar. All the participants, those who joined sharp at 7 o'clock, they submitted their test on time. So what is the use of that to opening link again? Tell me. Due to technical issue, I didn't submitted my attendance. Okay, attendance link, no problem. I will share that. Any another question? Assessment not going to open for sure, guys, because I already mentioned 2-3 times. Okay. I am sharing that, Mohan Sai. I I know only Hindi, Marathi, English. Out of that, I'm not able to explain in another language. That what I'm explaining again and again. You're welcome, guys. Guys, so I hope you're enjoying the session. Any problem you're facing, let me know. If there is no any problem, just give me a thumb. Then we'll wind up. Okay? No problem. Okay. Okay. Guys, 100 participants are there. I received 3 response only. Be responsive, yeah. Good. We are enjoying the class and I'm understanding. Great. Okay. Good, good, good. Okay. Great. Good to see. You're enjoying the class. So, my dear participant, we'll meet you on tomorrow at same time. Thank you so much for joining the session. And tomorrow YouTube live will be not there. So I'm just informing again. Join via Zoom. I already shared the Zoom link with you. Tomorrow, if your friends, family members, colleagues are facing any difficulty to join the session, please share the Zoom link with them. Okay? मजा आ गया sir. Hey, great. Thank you. अरे still last minute you guys used to ask me for the attendance link यार. But attendance is also important to get the certificate. 60% attendance is a mandatory. So feel that no problem. Satvender, I hope you receive the attendance. Okay. I think he's busy to fill the